Hi, my name is Jennifer Morataya. Then I will compare objective using adjective, comparative, and superlative. Start. This couch is bigger than this. About is biggest. The orange plate is smaller than the white plate. About the plate green is smaller. The bracelet purple is more beautiful than the yellow bracelet. About the bracelet gold is the most beautiful. The shoes beige are more comfortable than the shoes gray. About the black are the most comfortable. The book Fundamentals Marketing is more interesting than the book Goodbye Doesn't Mean Forever. About the Bible is the most interesting. The brown wallet is longer than the black wallet. About purple is longest. The juice is more delicious than the remedy. About is the most delicious honey. The oil boiler is higher than the water boiler. About garrafool water is gaseous. The hair of my father is curly than the hair of my mother. But my hair is curly.